I feel like the lighting is a little off today, but we're just gonna work with it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley for my new subscribers, and for my already subscribers, hey, thank you so much for joining me today. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my October Boxycharm. Now, let's take it back. If you've been subscribed to my channel, you know that I used to do unboxings of Ipsy and also Boxycharm, but I am subscribed from Ipsy and I also unsubscribed from Boxycharm. I was just like, I don't want to say bored, I was just like in a funk. So this year I decided I'm gonna go back to Boxycharm because I kind of missed it. And I mean, the best thing about Boxycharm, in my opinion, is receiving skincare, like high-end skincare. So if you don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. You will receive 5 full-size beauty items ranging from makeup, skincare, beauty tools, and color cosmetics. Each box has an average value of $175. So I have the base box, and that's all I'm pretty much going to talk about. They have like other levels. You pay a little bit more, you get a little bit more. I have the base box right now, and it is $25. And you, like I said, you get 5 full-size products, and it's ranging from $175. So this is it right here. I already opened it, but I really didn't like look inside, but I already opened it. And like I said, this is the October Boxycharm. A little late, but better late than never. So if you're interested in this video, then definitely stay tuned. Alright, so diving right into it, we're not going to make this video any longer than it's going to be. So this is the box right here, and this theme, I'm pretty sure if you watched these already, is Candy Shop. So pretty appropriate for, you know, the month that we're in. In every box you will receive one of these little papers, and it just has all the products, the prices, and basically like a little in-depth detail of what they are, what they're supposed to do, etc., etc. So the first thing I'm taking out here is, what is this? This is an Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. This is from the brand Rodeo, I'm guessing. Yeah, so this is from the brand Rodeo. So this is just a, yeah, like an illuminating primer. So I'm gonna have to try this because I have oily skin. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna work on my skin. If it's gonna make it really greasy, or if it's gonna work for dry skin people. If it's going to work for dry skin, that's not a problem, because I do freelance, so this will come in handy for clients. So this is the bottle, pretty nice, I like it. So this is it on the back of my hand. As you can see, it's just kind of wet right now. So it's supposed to be illuminating. So I'm just gonna rub it in, and then we'll see how it looks when it's dry. So that's pretty cool. The next thing I have here is a really big Murad. This is the exfoliating cleanser. I love cleansers, especially exfoliating, because I have a lot of pores, get a lot of blackheads, you know. So this says to use 2 to 3 times a week. So Murad is a really pricey brand. You can find it at Ulta. This is some of the estheticians there, and Ulta, they use this brand. So also like Dermalogica and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in this box, I will have my referral code down below. I don't receive anything from it. You will just get like extra points, is what they call it, like charms, and I will as well. And then later on you can buy things with it. The next thing we have here, one of my favorite things ever, are these lava lashes. So you open them up, and these are the lashes right here. These are cruelty-free faux mink eyelashes. The next thing we have is from Pretty Vulgar. I have received products from Pretty Vulgar in Boxycharm as well as Ipsy. As I was watching a lot of these videos, a lot of people were saying that they feel like their palette was swatched. I don't know, like, okay, like right there. You can kind of see, like right here. And then I'm just gonna kind of like move it around. But anyways, some of them, I would say the matte shades, you do kind of see like something. But to be honest, there was a lot of people that received this, and they all said the same thing. I doubt somebody literally went into each palette and kind of swatched them. I just think it's something how they pressed it, you know, over there. because even looking at it, this one right here and this is the color Hush Blush. It's kind of like lopsided in its packaging, and it's one of the ones that's swatched. So maybe it just had something to do with over there. So no biggie. I'm just gonna spray it anyways with alcohol just in case. And then the next thing I have is the Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter. So this is in the color, I'm not sure, oh, Soulmate. So this is the packaging right here. This right here is so cute. Okay, so this is the packaging. Light's kind of washing it out, but it's super cute. This is like rose gold. I don't know if it's coming off like gold on camera. Again, my lighting kind of sucks today. And then here it is. So this is pretty. Definitely appropriate for fall and like, you know, Thanksgiving and stuff. So I'll definitely be wearing this. And that's pretty much it. Everything that I received in my box. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything up. Okay, so adding everything up, my box totals $171.99. So $171.99, and I have some skincare products, I have some lashes, I have, you know, palette, lipstick, a lot of different things. Like I said, my main number one thing about Boxycharm is their skincare. Like if they could just do like a skincare box every month, sign me up. I'm all for it, but it'll probably get a little boring. But anyways, besides the point. So going back to the primer, the Illuminating Primer, this is it on the back of my hand. I don't know if you can see. It is kind of giving off a little bit of sheen, which is nice. And I'm thinking this is really going to be nice for people with dry skin. I myself have oily skin, so I'm going to try it. But again, I don't really think it's going to work for me. So if it does not, it's going right in my freelance kit, so it's not going to go to waste at all. So this is the primer compared to no primer. So it does give a little bit of like a healthy sheen. So I'm excited to try this on some of my clients who are oily, but I can feel it. So I'm wondering how it's going to work with foundation on top. I don't know. Like I'm touching it and it's actually like I feel the product moving around. So again, I'm gonna have to work with that. But yeah, that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm trying to push out these videos for you guys. Still trying to keep the quality, you know, there. So hopefully the lighting in this video is okay. I'm not sure. I'm just looking at myself and it looks okay, but you know, sometimes when you put it in the computer it doesn't. So anyways, beside the point. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you are not already, and leave me a comment if you will, even if it's just an emoji. I really appreciate that. And as always, besos y abrazos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.